Lecture 20. The different formats of display ads. Why use the display network? Google estimates that the display network provides coverage to over 90% of all internet users, which is one rather large reason why you should be using it. However, it's not just the reach of the network that makes it so impressive. It's the availability to target users in a variety of different ways that makes it such a potentially lucrative platform for advertisers. Display ad formats attract new customers with eye-catching ads. Great ad campaigns start with great ads, and with the Google Display Network you can advertise in a variety of formats and sizes with text ads, static and animated image ads, rich media and video ads. You can also create your own in minutes using the Display Ad Builder for free in Google Ads tools. Let's have a look at text ads. They're exactly the same as an ad on Google search. It includes a headline, 2 lines of text, which is 35 characters each, and a URL. You can create a range of text ads to test which copy works out best. Image ads. These ads let you include relevant images, customized layouts and background colours. Rich media ads. Rich media ads are essentially images that have other interactive elements, animations, or other aspects that can change depending on who is looking at the ad and how they interact with the ad. Examples of rich media ads include an ad with a moving carousel of products or an ad with animated layers that move into place. Video ads. Create an ad and embed a video that plays directly within it. Because YouTube is included on the display network, you can use AdWords to place your ads next to YouTube videos. Brilliant! We'll learn how to create some of these display ads in Lecture 21. See you soon.